Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and it's been a while since I've given you guys an update on the house build here. I want to give you guys a full walkthrough. I'll kind of show you some of the stuff that's been done, some of the features that we have planned and that we had built into this house, and really right now just give you an overview of where we're at. You can obviously see the drywall's up already, everything's covered up. They're starting to do all the trim and doors, the pool's being built, I'll show you that. And some of these interior doors are being done like in the office and stuff. So it's really cool because you can see the rooms all coming together. So I'll give you a full walkthrough. I'll kind of narrate a little bit for you, but this video is just more of just like an update status. And again, just kind of, I'll point out some features and things that we built into the house. I'll do some more in-depth breakdown videos of like how we designed the kitchen, how we designed the gym, how we designed the office, features that we did in the backyard to plan for a future casita, and then also like how we did the pool and how we kind of made it all fit. So I'll do separate videos going into detail about the actual design of those. This video, I'll walk you through the whole house. So here we are at the front of the house looking out towards the front door. They have these nice vaulted 14-foot ceilings, and this goes out into the front courtyard there for their entry. Right when you come in, off to the left, you have a nice sized powder room. Everything in this house has pretty big open feeling, and this is some of the square footage that we added with the redesign is this mud room attached over here to this large laundry room. This room is 8 feet wide and allows a lot of room in the middle of all the cabinetry. When you're going out into the garage, this is a big 2-car garage. It's about 22 to 23 feet deep. And then that attaches right over here to the RV garage, which is just over 40 feet by 16 feet wide and 16 feet tall. We added 2 rows of lights up at the ceiling. We also added outlets over here at the top of the garage so that we could have that direct drive motor that opens up the garage door. And then out here in the back, everything is pre-plumbed for a water softener and a tankless water heater. And then we also had them do some pre-plumbing so that we could do a utility sink in the back of the garage as well. Lots of outlets all the way around. And now coming into the house, this is one of the first rooms that you come into, which is the gym. This room is just about 18 feet by 12. It has lots of recessed lighting, fans, and it also has speakers that are going to be up in the ceiling. And it looks out south to where the casita will be in the future. This is a really big room, and it has a 6x6 entry where we can do a little desk or we can do some type of cabinetry here, and you have lots of space when you're still walking in that's not obstructed by the door. The door we made 36 inches wide so that you can move large pieces of equipment in. Now standing from the living room, you can see kind of into the library here. This is 14 by 14 feet. And then across from that is the living room where we have the fireplace bump out. We have these large 16-foot sliding panel windows. This was an add-on that they had from the builder. And then that is right here open to the kitchen, which is about 17, 18 feet wide by roughly 18 feet deep. In the very back here where the stove is going to be, we have some pre-plumbing for a pot filler. And in the back corner, this was the big thing that we wanted in the house, was a butler's pantry. There's going to be more cabinetry, a sink, and a full walk-in pantry. We went with the frosted doors on any of the places like the pantry or the gym or something that wasn't like a formal bedroom. This thing will have another sink and a whole garbage disposal and trash cans and everything. And then it just opens up wide out here into the living room. When you're coming down the hallway, there's this accent window that looks into the library, which I'll kind of show you in a minute. But let's go into the master bedroom. As you're coming into the master bedroom, again, the footprint is roughly 18 by 18. All the ceilings throughout this house are 10 feet, plenty of can lighting, and you can see right out back to the pool. I'll show you this here at the end of the video of everything going on with the pool. But this is a really cool view looking south. You can see a lot of the city lights. And as you're coming into the bathroom, we kind of straightened out a lot of these walls so that your sight lines would be all straight. They had some different bump outs and cut-ins. We wanted to make everything pretty modern looking and straight. Has a walk-in closet, and then there's a second one at the end. But you have this large window that we made a little bit bigger. We have the toilet room here off to the side. There's this large window with a freestanding bathtub and a junction box up in the ceiling for like a chandelier. And then we made the shower a little bit bigger so that you could have a lot of space for the 2 shower heads and bench. There's full cabinetry that runs along this back wall. And then, like I said, the other walk-in closet, this one is a lot bigger. It's obviously going to be for my wife because she has all the clothes that can definitely fill this thing. But it's nice that it has the two separate walk-in closets with this large open footprint of the bathroom. As you're coming down the hallway, again, walking past that accent window to the library, lets a lot of light in so we don't have any dark spots. You have these large 6x6 windows that look out into the courtyard, again, letting in a lot of light. And then all the other bedrooms are back here at the back of the house. You can see the other bedrooms all have windows. They have shared bathrooms or their own private bathrooms, and everything has its own walk-in closet. So this is a 4-bedroom floor plan. It also has the auxiliary room for the gym that we added, but it is really nice that everything has its own bathroom access. One of them does have this Jack and Jill bathroom, but it also kind of goes into what's like a playroom for the kids for now. Again, a lot of space, a lot of openness, and everything has window, and there's lots of light that come into all these rooms. And this back bedroom is probably one of the larger ones. And like I mentioned, it has its ensuite bathroom, and it has a walk-in closet, but this walk-in closet is a lot larger. So this may probably be like our daughter's room because she's going to have more clothes, and we can build this out in the future. But it is really cool that it has its own private bathroom. Everything has a nice size vanity, toilet, and it's a full bath. So these are really cool features of this house. Now looking out to the backyard, this is the pool. We designed this kind of towards the end, but we wanted to fit it in. It's roughly 37 feet long and 15 feet wide with an 8x6 spa, and it has the deep end right around 6.5 feet, and everything looks south so you can see over the wall, and you got some really cool city views. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video and the update here. Hopefully the next couple months we'll be closing, and I'll show you guys all the finish and the finished product once everything's done. And if you haven't already, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next build.